We are talking about the roadmap of Canadian spousal sponsorship processing and actual stages once your application is submitted. What IRCC is actually doing with your case in real time. Let's get started. Now, after submission, sometimes it feels like forever because I've actually had clients or applicants, they got their AOR issued after 2 months. Now, behind all of this silence, a structured internal process is moving step by step. Sequence is pretty much same for everyone, but not the speed. So this is the structure right in front of you. First, we have complete application check, AOR, sponsor review, principal applicant review, biometrics and medicals, the waiting stage review, and finally, we go to finalization. So stage 1 is basically IRCC needs to make sure that you have submitted a complete application without anything major being missed. And if there's something major missing, they will return the application back to you. And if it's complete, you will get the AOR. IRCC has accepted the file into processing and issued an application number. And that is the first real sign that your application is moving. Stage 3 and 4 is the dual assessment. Assessment of the sponsor, whether the sponsor is eligible, and assessment of the principal applicant. Once sponsor's eligibility is completed, the focus is shifted to principal applicant's eligibility. And that takes you to the next stage of biometrics and medicals for the principal applicant. You're normally given a 30 days time limit for each stage within which you have to give your biometrics and medical. Now, once you've given your biometrics and medical, this is the silent phase. All it may seem to you that there's nothing happening on your application, and the reason for that is because you haven't received a correspondence from IRCC for months. But I'm telling you, under this stage, the file keeps moving through review, even if you do not see a lot of updates. So the final fork, you will get a correspondence from IRCC. They will issue a PDF document about pre-arrival services for the principal applicant, and that means eligibility for the principal applicant is complete. Finally, right after this, your application will be approved and you will be given instructions to submit your passport. So remember, the sequence is pretty much similar for everyone, but not the speed. Do not make the mistake of comparing your timeline with everyone else online. Understanding the stages matters more than obsessing over someone else's timeline online. Anyways, if you're about to submit your spousal sponsorship application and you do have questions or concerns, or you are looking for representation, I'm a licensed Canadian immigration consultant based in Toronto, Canada. You can book an appointment at the given link here. We'll have a detailed chat about your professional profile in which we'll do a complete assessment to see where you stand, and of course we'll let you know how to move forward. That's it for now. We'll be coming back with more updates. Thank you.